No, ain't what you think. Not welcome to the Cooking General, because Cooking General is on his own channel. Now, this channel here is almost a one channel. I had to make this video because a lot of people still be like, think I quit making videos because I'm on this channel here, and I'll just do other random things. And that's what this channel is for, just random stuff. I got a few cooking videos on here, but if y'all on this channel thinking that I quit making videos, no, just go to, hold on, matter of fact, I can show you. There you go. Go to the Cooking General. And that's why you'll see me cooking at. Now, since we're already here and I'm already got my kids, which is grandkids, I got my nieces and nephews, so I gotta make a little something for them. But we're gonna eat some soul food today, so what I'm gonna do, some beans. I also got some oxtails right there. I got some pork bones right here, and I'm finna put these pinto beans in. This is the same liquid I cook my oxtails in, so it's already seasoned, so I ain't gotta add much of that. And you know, all kids like macaroni and cheese, so I got some of that. But basically, I'm doing this video here just to let y'all know to go to the Cooking General right there. That's why y'all see my videos at. Cooking. Now, you can still be, well, I'm gonna still be posting videos on this channel now, but it won't be cooking related. So, there you go. And I would tell you to ask somebody, but it's Cooking General. I ain't gonna even say it right now. Just go to Cooking General channel, and then you can ask somebody. There we go, right there. That's what I want. Now you want to wash your beans off, you know what I'm saying? I got my wash them soak a little bit, you know. You don't have to, but it's recommended if you want them done fast. Now, this here what I bought my oxtails in, and I got some seasoning when I bought my poke bones, so I'm gonna pour them in there. So it's gonna be seasoned, so I'm not gonna add. Most season I add was like salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onions, you know, bell pepper, just the basics. And you wanna go ahead and pour the beans in there since you already got them washed and cleaned off. And this is gonna be regular pinto beans, no chili beans, none of that other stuff, red beans, nothing like that. It's just gonna be a regular recipe. Now, I got the beans in there. Now what you wanna do, you wanna get them down, and you wanna get your water at least 1 inch over your beans. And then bring them to a boil, and then you turn them down and let them simmer. Oh, here we go, right there. Now, see there, got them to a boil. That's what you want them, get them in a boil. Now, if you got gas stove, you know, gas and electric, I can work on both of them, so it don't bother me. A lot of people prefer gas, some people prefer electric, but I can cook on both of them. I can cook on open fire. When y'all go to the Cooking General channel and see the video that's coming out, so you'll see me cooking on open fire, so it ain't no make no difference. So I'm gonna put them on about 4 and let them kind of slow down now. I'm gonna go ahead and let them simmer. Put the top on them. Hey, come back, I'll show you. Hey, this is, no, just go to the Cooking General channel and then ask somebody. Okay, let me see here. We're about halfway finished with the beans. We got them right there. I still got to go a little bit longer. Got some beef ribs here. Let's see how these look. Come out. These oven baked. They not barbecued. Oh, but look. Tender. Yeah. I ain't never done the beef rib on my Cooking General channel, so. And these grandkids are loud, so ask somebody. Oh, righty. There you go. Look at that. All right. I got a stick of butter in there. You know what I'm saying? Now, you probably like, well, you got a stick of butter. So I got 3 eggs right here. Now, 3 eggs are in this bowl. And now, since it's for grandkids, you know, I don't use no Jiffy, but for the kids, they like this honey Jiffy. So, you know, I like, you know, hot water cornbread, you know, it's made from scratch. So, you know, I'm just going to, you know, do what they like. Oh, boy, I tell you. This is just ridiculous here. This really ain't, like I said, you gotta go to Cooking General channel to see what I cook, shoot. Because I usually don't do this here, man. And they gotta come get the kids too, man. Because, man, I don't cook this kind of way. But, since it's them, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this on up. And then you add some little milk to it. I'm gonna stir it up and make them some cornbread because that's what they eat. Man, look at this stuff here. Jiffy, honey. Boy, give me some old fat. Ask somebody. All right, I got that mixed up pretty good. Man, these kids are loud. We didn't just come get them. Man, I tell y'all, don't ever keep your kids and grandkids and nieces and all that. Man, don't do that. They are messing me up. But anyway, they here and I gotta feed them. But so I got my bowl that says milk. You probably wonder why I use so much butter because I want to post something in my mix right here. I'm gonna just do a little bit like that. And we're gonna mix this on up, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the pan. Put it back in the oven. This makes a pretty good cornbread, even if you're just using box mix. You know I usually use Gladiola, not Jiffy. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this here. They just get the far from me. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, there go that cornbread. Yep. That's that Jiffy. That mother, no, I can't say it, but I hate no one guy that do say it. Hey. Yeah, I didn't cook General. The mad motherfucking cornbread. Ask somebody. Alrighty. Y'all still watching this here? Instead of going to cooking job, I'm on almost one. I guess y'all want to see me finish. Okay. Now, beans are kind of soul food. Since I'm not really doing nothing special to these here, I do save. I always save when I cook bacon. I put it in a jar. I save my bacon grease. It gives it a flavor. That's what gives it the soul. And so I'm gonna let y'all know about that there. You know what I'm saying? You put that off in there. And like that milk, that helps give it more of that soul food flavor. Now I know it ain't health, whatever this and that, whatever. Hey, but it makes them good, and that's what makes soul food. You know, hey, that's just a tip. Save your bacon grease.
You see a little piece of meat right there? Mm-hmm. Go eat that meat off that bone.
Okay.
You got meat that's still on that bone.
What? See that? You got to feed them kids like that now? Back in the days,
man, let me see your plate.
They got to ask me about no bone. Because back in the days, boy, we were poor. Why? I brought you plate. You been asking me where the bone at. I been in it.
Let me see it. All right, you can throw that away, but don't throw that plate away. I'm watching.
See, that's
you can eat out of it again later.
That's what I'm talking about. Y'all better ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Boy, I did look at that. Go to the Cooking General channel, just watch me. And I got a new video coming out Friday. When you see this video here, go to Cooking General and you'll see. I do foreign, domestic, you know, and unique recipes. And the grandkids, the cousin, nieces, they all that. The beans are about done, and I can feed them. And they about done. This is regular, just regular cooked pinto beans. And I was only making this video on this channel just to let y'all know that you can go to the Cooking General if y'all want to see me cook, because I'm just putting random stuff on this channel. Alrighty, and that's gonna be about it. And they eat some macaroni. Oh yeah, they didn't tore them up. Okay, yeah. So check me out on Cooking General channel, and I really appreciate it. Cooking General. Ask somebody.